Hello everyone. So this is the second session of the food safety and quality assurance, and the topic which we'll be covering today is food safety acts. So what is basically food means? Food means a raw or cooked or processed edible substance, ice, beverage or ingredients used to intended for use or for sale in whole or in parts or human consumption or chewing gum, as per Food and Drugs Organization. So, eating food is a risky process. Why? Because it can contain different bacteria, viruses, microorganisms. Innate immunity and traditional culinary practices are major protective factors. A suitable product which can be consumed orally either by human or by animals does not cause health risk to consumer. Assurance that food will not cause harm to the consumer when it is prepared and eaten according to its intended use. So, why is the need for food safety? Because of changing food habits, because of the lifestyle, because of the fast lifestyle of people, increased processing and handling, changing processes products, globalization of food trade. Uh, Food safety is a global concern. Acute diarrheal illness is very common worldwide and estimated to account for 1.8 million childhood deaths annually, predominantly in developing countries. So, according to a report, according to a report, foodborne disease. According to a report, the foodborne diseases are outbreak reported till in the year 2011-12 is 1632. The cause of illness is the 29,000 cases of illness is 29,000 and hospitalizations is 1750 and deaths are 68. So, um, these are the isolates report of PulseNet USA. The ecosystem changes lead to more pests, less predators, more vectors for microbes. So this is all a major fault of the ecosystem where there are changes being taking place, and unseasonal rains lead to abnormal microbial growth and humidity and fungal growth. The flooding or water contamination or soil contamination or unsafe food. Higher ocean temperatures, that is algal blooms, harbor vibrios and spore-like forms. Changes in aquatic life and formation of marine biotoxins in seafood due to production of phytotoxins by harmful algae. So, food safety issues are the food safety issues are genetically modified organism, allergens, sanitation or quality, plant diseases, mycotoxin, foodborne bacteria and drug residues. Food industry. Talking about the food industry, India is the world's second largest producer of food next to China. India is one of the world's major food producers but accounts for less than 1.5% of international food trade. This indicates vast scope for both investors and exporters. Food exports in 1998 stood at US dollar 5.8 billion, whereas the world total was US dollar 438 billion. The Indian food industry sale turnover is rupees 1,40,000 crore annually as the start of year 2000. The industry has the highest number of plant approved in the US Food and Drugs Administration. So before the FSSAI, there was a different scenario. There were many different food laws, such as multiple food laws, varied quality and food safety standards, rigid and non-responsive standards, poor information dissemination to the consumers. So this was a more difficult process to access. There were different standards for different food products and different orders and laws to be followed. So it was very difficult for the normal layman to understand all these. 9 different laws and 8 different ministries governing the food sector. Laws framed by different ministries with different perspectives and enforcement approach, overlapping laws with different quality standards and labeling requirements. So, the which were those acts and laws? The PFA, the FPO, the MFPO, the Vegetable Oil Product Order, the Edible Oil Product Order, the Solvent Extracted Oil, De-oiled and Edible Flour Order, Milk and Milk Products Order. Then came the FSSA, in which all these orders were taken into one single umbrella, that was the FSSA. So the chronology was Food Safety and Standard Acts passed by the Indian Parliament and notified on 24th August. Then the authority established in September 2008. Then the FSSAI regulations notified 3rd August 2011. The new acts were operationalized. Then all food business operators in India to get license with Food Safety Authority. That's all for this session. Thank you.